Curious about FWU files appearing during your Wii U system updates? These files keep your console current and secure. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll explain what Wii U firmware update files do and how the system uses them. For those rare occasions when Windows and standard apps fail to open your FWU, I'll reveal the dedicated third-party solution that serves as my professional failsafe. An .fwu file contains firmware update data for the Nintendo Wii U gaming console. These files are used by the system's official updater to install new software, features, or security patches. Users in the homebrew and modding communities often interact with these files to manually update or downgrade their console's firmware. The FWU format is a proprietary, encrypted binary container designed by Nintendo to securely package and deliver system software. Its structure ensures the integrity and authenticity of the update, preventing unauthorized modifications and protecting the console's operating environment from tampering during the installation process. For the FWU file type, Wii U System Update from Nintendo is a trusted and reliable source. To ensure the integrity of the system files, a dedicated utility should be used instead of Windows default. Windows cannot inspect firmware images, so compatibility tools are required to apply them. Begin the search for the specific application handler. Right-click the FWU file and choose Open With. Use Wii U System Update first. If it's absent, select another program. This test sequence is essential. If your FWU file will not open yet, do not panic. Don't be confused by the error message. Here are the 3 most common technical reasons your FWU file is not opening. First, installing updates. Wii U firmware updates install automatically when your console connects to the internet and detects available updates. Navigate to System Settings, then System Update to manually check for and install pending FWU updates. Ensure stable power and network connections during installation to prevent corruption that could brick the console. Next, troubleshooting update issues. If updates fail, check Internet connectivity and Nintendo network status for service outages. Clear console cache by holding power for 10 seconds to perform a hard reset before retrying. Persistent failures may require contacting Nintendo support, as user-level FWU file manipulation is not supported and risks console damage. Finally, understanding firmware versions. Check your current firmware version in System Settings under System Update on the home screen. Nintendo periodically releases FWU updates addressing security and adding features. Direct manipulation of FWU files violates console terms of service and warranty, so always rely on Nintendo's official update mechanism for safe firmware management. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. You might consider a solution that focuses on the internal data structure rather than the extension name, which is often the best way to attempt opening ambiguous file types. When our initial solutions didn't work, this means the file structure is unusually complex. Skip the frustration and move to File Magic, the universal viewer that consistently succeeds where basic apps stop. Check out FileMagic.com to download now. Let me know in the comments if that file is open. Subscribing ensures you never miss another one-click solution.